Okay, part 2 of cleaning these dirty earpods. So yeah. So this is like what one side looked like. The white side was a mess. It's raining, so I'm gonna be getting my but I think that's enough with that.
It's sleeting.
Sleeting, what's that? What is that? Huh? Dad?
Sleet.
So it's not rain, it's like snow.
It's ice.
Ice? We were supposed to get ice this weekend? It's Saturday. I'm gonna be probably posting this tomorrow, Sunday. I love how I'm like, tomorrow, Sunday. Yeah. I might pull an on idol. So
Flathead.
So just stay tuned for that. An on idol is probably gonna be coming up. Or I might just like try and pull it in our video. Just because. I might go inside. Because it's ice is falling all over the car. Can I shut this somehow?
No.
It's literally ice. Aren't you supposed to stay home when it starts to get ice out? I don't even care if these get broke again. Still audio broke. Like they don't work. And they are headphones. Okay, fix this. I got most of what I needed to. I mean, it's not the perfect. It looks clean. It looks clean on you. But if you focus, it does not look clean. Like, I only got that inside. It's clean. So, we're gonna put that back up. And I lost the cap to this water bottle. So,
Turn the key on.
good. Found it. Okay. You know
Give
what?
me the tool.
What tool?
The green tool.
Green tool. Okay. You know what? This video is going to... No. Okay, so... I'm crazy. My next upcoming video is going to be my nighttime routine. So stay tuned for that. And I have a video uploading right now. I've been uploading for like an hour. So, yeah. Stay tuned for that. Yeah. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. And turn on the post notification, aka the bell, for you not to miss any of my upcoming videos. So yeah. And comment down below. Have yours or like anyone that you know headphones look like that? Comment down below. I think you can comment. If you can't comment, then comment. I wasn't letting people comment though, so I had to kind of try and fix it. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. Bye guys. Mwah!